And now introducing Christine Walden!
Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back to Tell Me About It!
Yay!
We are going to be interviewing Shane McKenzie about the solar eclipse, the lunar eclipse, and the northern lights!
Yay!
So, tell me, Shane, what is the solar eclipse?
Well, the solar eclipse can only be seen from certain areas of the Earth. And the moon moves between the sun and the Earth, and its shadow, called the umbra, falls on the Earth.
Interesting.
And when the solar eclipse is about to begin or end, a very bright light appears.
So, can you tell me something interesting about the solar eclipse?
Of course I can. Well, we know why this happened, but the ancients didn't. And for them, they seemed to think that the world was coming to an end. Kaboom! They thought that a dragon was trying to eat the sun, so they banged gongs together to try to scare away the dragons.
What is the lunar eclipse?
Well, the lunar eclipse is a very fascinating sight to see. The lunar eclipse is when the Earth passes in front of the sun and a shadow falls on the moon. It can take up to 7 hours for the moon to completely move out of the way of the shadow. And it only happens twice a year, so you better not miss it, because it's really worthwhile to see.
Well, I'll have to try to see the next one. So, what causes the northern lights?
Well, the northern lights are caused by high-speed particles moving really fast and striking together to make glasses glow. I know, I love it. The northern lights are kind of similar to like a TV screen. I love TV. Do you love TV? Yeah. And when the screen is turned on, and there are 3 things needed for the northern lights to occur. Remember, number 1, high-speed particles from the sun. Number 2, a powerful magnet. And number 3,
Well, I'll think about it next time I turn on my TV when I'm watching Hannah Montana. Could you tell me more?
Well, of course I can tell you more. The northern or southern lights, and also the aurora, they're natural lights displayed in the sky, usually observed at night, particularly in the polar regions. I love the polar regions. Way up there. The aurora can be seen near magnetic poles, especially. They can see very high overhead. Once again, really high. We keep looking high. But further away, they seem to eliminate the northern horizon and make it like a greenish glow, or sometimes a faint red as the sun was coming from an unusual direction, like that would never happen. That's ridiculous. I don't know. The aurora borealis often occurs from September to October, or March to April. And it's most visible closer to the northern pole due to the longer periods of darkness. It's dark up there.
Well, thank you for coming on Tell Me About It today.
You're very welcome. Yay! Science is cool. Well, solar eclipse can be only seen from certain areas of the Earth. The moon between yesterday is about to begin or end. A very bright light appears. What's he on?
Oh, we have a caller!
The solar eclipse. Yeah, it's like some gases. And they're covering the sun, because yeah, there's a reflection, there's a shadow called the umbra. Baby, how was I supposed to know? Something wasn't right here. Oh, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. It's like an emo version. I'm Britney Spears. Don't mess with me. I'll shake your hand too.
Do another one, Shane.
Do hot and cold.
Oh, you're hot and you're cold. Yes and you're no. You're in and you're out. You're up and you're down. Wrong when it's right. Black and it's white. We fight, we break up. We kiss, we make up. You don't really want to stay. No, you don't really want to go. Oh, because you're hot and you're cold. Yes and you're no. You're in and you're out. You're up and you're down.
That's all, folks.